So those long fishtails I had to take off because every time I started to bake, it would just like puff rust out of all the little seams and cracks in this. These were actually so rusted on there that I had to beat them with a hammer to get them to come off. And that fishtail it's not welded, it's just rusted tight on there. And I don't have a vise big enough to put it in, but let's see what it sounds like. I'm hoping better because it was super quiet before.